Hi friends, firstly a big round of thanks to all of you. So many subscriptions, so many comments and of course likes also which have come. ये मैंने सोचा नहीं था. I didn't think that this will happen. So probably we are on the right track as a guide that we are giving you some proper information. So इस बार थोड़ा सा complicated discussion पे चलते हैं. So as you can see on top, it says a video on MBBS admissions to deemed university colleges. डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी क्या है ये मैंने पहले एपिसोड में बोला था. ये डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी चक्कर क्या है, डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज होते क्या है. सो दिस इज अ स्पेसिफिक ब्रीड और जॉनर ऑफ कॉलेजेस व्हिच आर वेरी बिग, in some cases a bit expensive. Yes, big deemed university colleges, you must have heard names of Manipal, you must have heard in Mumbai you've got D.Y. Patil institutions, very big names which are there. Yes, these are deemed, of course, they are very big organizations. And yes, they are a bit expensive. Frankly speaking, they are much costlier than a government college. Yes, sometimes cheaper than a private college. Sometimes, so many cases we see they may be cheaper than a private college also. What is the selection criteria? कैसे admission लेना है? कोई criteria और नहीं है. जो मैंने पहले बोला था वही है, नीट देना ही है. इसमें और कोई criteria नहीं है. नीट में qualify करना ही है. एक ही सिंगल सेंट्रल प्रोसेस से सारे डीम्ड कॉलेजेस के एडमिशंस होते हैं. इसमें 85% जो है मैनेजमेंट सीट्स या पेड सीट्स होते हैं. बाकी 15% भी पेड सीट्स ही हैं, उनके फीस और ज्यादा है. बट दैट इज प्राइमरली फॉर एनआरआईज, पीआईओस. जो बाहर के लोग हैं वो जानते हैं एनआरआई कोटा क्या होता है, पीआईओ कोटा क्या होता है. दे आर द पीपल हु मस्ट बी अप्लाइंग फॉर दिस. देयर द फीस आर स्टिल हायर. ओके, नाउ यू आर सीइंग अनदर न्यू स्लाइड. ये स्लाइड आपको क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देता है कि डीम्ड के अंदर भी टाइप्स या शेयरिंग क्या है. एक क्विक नोट बोल देता हूं पहले कि डीम्ड में भी गवर्नमेंट डीम्ड हो सकता है, बट दैट्स अ फ्यू कॉलेजेस व्हिच यू कैन काउंट ऑन वन फिंगर. So might as well not take that into consideration. Anybody who wants to know details about that, that's just a few colleges. Please write on the comment box. We will give you the information because that is generally not applicable to most of the students. Now let us come to the other private deemed universities. Most of the deemed are private colleges. Okay, they are under private societies or trusts who run this college. Private terminology here itself I think is wrong because University Grants Commission is actually giving a grant to the college and the university to function. So it is as good as a government college. इसमें difference क्या है? The fees are more. It's kind of self-financing. Fees आपके 12 लाख से start होते हैं. So 12 lakhs is the benchmark fees per year. So you're looking at 60 lakh rupees. So people who do not have that budget, you can skip this video. Or if you want to have some on-hand knowledge about this, you can continue with us. यहाँ पे सारे कॉलेजेस महंगे होने के बावजूद ज़्यादातर कॉलेजेस बहुत अच्छे हैं. इसमें एडमिशन का फॉर्मूला एक ही है. Try and pick up the college as per your rank and the college rank. Try to amalgamate them. If you have got a very good rank and you are going for a deemed, look at the top deemed that you are getting an option for. उसमें चले जाइए. ये भी सेंट्रलाइज्ड प्रोसेस है, सेंट्रलाइज्ड काउंसलिंग के थ्रू हो रहा है. सेंटर सारा कुछ कंट्रोल कर रहा है, नीट रैंक पे ही हो रहा है. आप फीस थोड़े से ज्यादा देते हैं या कई लोगों के लिए बहुत ज्यादा होता है. आई एक्सेप्ट, इट इज ट्रू. बट इफ यू लुक एट द income ratio and even if somebody goes in for a loan and something like that, it is not that you are burning yourself or burning a hole in your pocket. Yes, medical practitioners, unless even if they are in let's say a government facility in a village, look at the central pattern. The salaries are pretty high and it is expected that you will be able to pay back, even if you have to go in for loans or partial loans for this kind of things. इसमें सबसे बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट क्या है? काफी लोअर रैंक के स्टूडेंट्स को भी चांसेस मिल जाते हैं. इसमें मॉप अप राउंड्स एंड स्ट्रे वैकेंसी तक सीट्स रहते हैं. तो अगर आपका रैंक थोड़ा सा पीछे है and you have got the financial capability, you can pay some money, your parents are agreeing to go and invest for this, you can opt for it. Unless you want to try another year, I would never say do not repeat. Remember one thing, this is one thing I always tell. Golden rule is first year no issues. You have not got a good rank, you want to give it one more shot, please do. A second shot is always applicable, there is no problem. You can say, sir, 5.5 years of medical course, then maybe a 3 years post-graduation, then I lose one more year. Look, you are getting into a noble profession, it will take time. But remember, like if you're going to a government job or maybe a private job also, 60, 65 years is the benchmark, you retire. A doctor doesn't retire. A doctor works till he is no more. Okay, so doctors do not have a retirement age. So that is why the pickup is slow. People do take a lot of time to complete the education. Maybe to a span of 10 years. If suppose you're doing your MBBS, उसके बाद आप MCH करते हो, तो 5 साल का कोर्स होता है MCH, तो 10.5 साल आप पढ़ते हो. Yes, they are specialist doctors. People do DM even after that. तो पढ़ाई का कोई लिमिट नहीं है. आप लोगों के लिए मैं आज भी पढ़ रहा हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सब कुछ जानता हूँ. अभी भी पढ़ाई करके ही आपके सामने बैठ के कुछ बोल रहा हूँ. तो पढ़ना जरूरी होता है. If you have the intentions to learn, you can always pick it up. So you can pick it up from the next year also. But if you are giving a gap of 1 year, be very serious during that period. If you don't want to give a gap, deemed is one place, you 90% chance you will get a slot there. If you are eligible, there is in fact a 95% chance some or the other good deemed university will be eligible. If you, once your rank comes out, you need any kind of help, you need any kind of specific guidance. For deemed colleges, we will come up with a completely specific module. ये मैं आज डिस्कस नहीं करूंगा. मे बी 7th or 10th episode we'll go and discuss what these modules are all about. We will come up with a specific module for those particular children who have got a thought process. Yes, I may take a deemed university. I am interested in a deemed university. So that will be a different thing altogether. So again, thanks to all of you. You are aware of who we are. People who have joined us in this episode, I would request you to at least go back and look at the first episode also, if not the second one. Second one is kind of an extension of the first, but the first one is very important. Which important parts I have not discussed in this episode. I will not be discussing that in future, so the first episode is kind of the Bible. Go ahead and look at it once again. A small introduction again, 2 minutes of your time. We are 24 years in the guidance field. We are here to guide you for free. We do not expect you to pay us anything. There will be 99.9% of the services, except very intricate people. Maybe out of the 20 lakh people who write the exam, maybe 2,000 people might require a kind of different kind of a guidance, but most of it is free. I assure you that. Why do you need us? You need us because all the information is in one place. It's under one window. It's in one window. It's under one umbrella. It is information. Yes, every information that is available on the internet that needs to be known by MBBS applicants will be here. We will not skip anything. It may be in this episode, maybe in the next one, maybe in the fourth one, but it will be there. So keep subscribed. Keep asking us questions. It gives us a lot of zing to work on this field, as because it's not a monetary reason why we are working for. So if it is only your questions and your subscriptions that help us grow and help us to be able to continue this. अगर आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे, हमारे साथ कोई भी कम्युनिकेशन नहीं करोगे, तो ये कम्युनिटी भी ग्रो नहीं करेगा. Because I am also not the only person behind this. There are doctors, there are educators, there are professors who are helping me every time, giving me information. There are government authorities, NGOs whom we are tied up with, जहाँ से information आता है. I have subscribed to those channels so that I get the online information and I can immediately, quickly make a video and transfer it to you. So the only thing that will keep this process going is your subscriptions and your questions that are being asked to us. So please keep on the good work that is going on. जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. हम लोग information, जो भी next information आपके लिए important होगा, वो जरूर next episode में आपको दिखेगा. तब तक आपके लिए कौन सा information ज़्यादा जरूरी लगता है, हमें लिख के भेजिए. हम उसी हिसाब से, उसी आधार पे अगला episode के साथ तुरंत आपके सामने आ जाएंगे.